Okay, so here's the long version. Start. So this is the slot for the cell phone over here, and then it has a cable that's right down in there. Then there's the TV remote, which goes right in here. A couple of them actually. And then after 5 o'clock, of course, we have a slot for that. And then after 5 o'clock, another slot for a stemmed wine glass. Before 5 o'clock, we've got, of course, the coffee mug, right? Before 5 o'clock p.m. And then there's a spot for the 8-inch Android device that sits up there. Then if you don't want these in here, we just pull those out. If you want to leave them in there, you can. Then to take the top tray off, tray number 2, I call it, or the cup tray, we just use an Allen wrench, fancy or just a regular Allen wrench is fine. That's Sinker Cypress. That was the stuff that came from Vidalia, Louisiana, right? Then to take the next layer off, same process. It's just a Allen wrench. So even if you don't have one of these fancy dancy ones, you can just use regular one. So there's the Sinker Cypress tray number 1. Ooh, look at that. That's all Sinker Cypress. Some pipe from Home Depot. The back side, the threaded or the mortise for the tenon. Then the next stage down is, where did my wrench go? There it is. Same thing down here. It's just another, same Allen wrench all the time. That comes out of there like that. And everything is all right there. You've got the foot with the ballast. Those are concrete stakes. That's $5 worth of steel right there. That's it. You've got the post. Some people call it a leg. On that, there's the threaded tenon, threaded metal tenon. That's my little invention. That goes on that. And this is Sinker Cypress as well. Very, very natural piece, right? Look at that. Look at the beauty of that. That stuff is so cool. That was down at the bottom of the Mississippi River for 200 years. Same, I'm not sure about this one. This is a reclaim. So this is reclaimed from a house down in Vidalia or somewhere in that area. Again, that's cypress, though. I don't know if it's Sinker Cypress or not. That has a couple of coats of the 2-part epoxy. This is Sinker Cypress as well. I picked a very natural piece. Nice, and that was the way I bought it. Okay, this side I didn't have to cut either. And then there's the hole in there for the bolt. There's the mortise for the threaded tenon, and everything is all set to go. That took me 4 minutes to take apart completely and explain it on the way. I can't remember how much time it took to put it together. If I wasn't trying to videotape and be fancy with the wine glasses and stuff like that, it probably takes about a minute to set it up.